This is our programmable alarm clock. It connects to Google Calendar through this Ethernet. You can view the alarms by hitting the alarms button and go to view alarms. And these are 5 events that we set on Google Calendar. Event 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hit exit to get out of that. We also have a timer where you can set a timer. Set it for 5 seconds or 55. You can cancel. Let's try it again. For 5 seconds. You can hide it and run in the background, otherwise just let it go. Alright, stop. So that was the timer. We also have settings where you can change the tunes. That was the Leroy Jenkins. Otherwise we have just a Bubbles MP3 and a Something to Be Proud Of song. And then also for the weather, you can change the zip code for the location just by typing in whatever zip code you want. And then hitting the weather button, it'll get the weather and then suggest clothing. You can create an event, end of our video, set it for 51. Save. Alright, 5 seconds until the alarm goes off. And that's it. And at the end of every minute, it just gathers the schedule, and if there's an alarm, it sets it off. We have an alarm set for 5:03, and it should go off on both the standalone and our mobile device. So this is standalone, and then over on the mobile device we have a vibrating circuit, but it also goes off.
Alright, you take the bottom off the mobile device, and on the inside here we have our circuitry that outputs the 5 volts, which has this power source that goes into the Raspberry Pi. The battery gets plugged into that, and here we have the vibration motor circuit. When you take off the back plate, you can see the insides of the alarm clock. We had to design our own audio amplifier, which is powered by a 5-volt source, which comes directly from the power source of the Raspberry Pi itself. This audio amplifier receives an audio signal through a headphone jack from the Raspberry Pi and outputs it through a speaker. I will